Okay, let's have another example in multiplying monomials. So in multiplying monomials, our step-by-step procedure is we multiply the coefficient by the coefficient and we multiply the variable by the variable using the loss of exponent product rule. Okay? Okay. So let's have an example. So for example, we are multiplying 5x and 3x raised to 7. So first, multiply the coefficient by the coefficient. So 5 times 3, that will be 15. Then we multiply our variable x by x raised to 7. So x times x raised to 7, we apply the product rule. So copy the variable x and then add the exponent. Remember that x has an exponent, an invisible exponent of 1. So 1 plus 7, that will be 8. So let's simplify. So we have 15x raised to 8. And that's it. The product of these two monomials will be 15x raised to 8. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.